everyone, my name is Shachi, and I basically met Mrs. Anju Gupta through my mother-in-law. Last year in January, my father suffered a cavernoma. It's something I did not know what it is. My family did not know. It's basically a blood vessel burst inside his spinal cord. So we were all pretty distraught because he was in the hospital for 42 days, and because of this problem, he also lost all the sensation in his lower limbs. He was not able to walk, get up, and even wiggle his toes. So my mother-in-law during that time suggested that I speak to Mrs. Anju Gupta, who would be able to help us through this therapy called Sojok. So and that time even the lockdown had happened, so we were not even able to do proper physiotherapy in the hospital, which was very important for him. So Mrs. Anju Gupta really offered her services in the help of through video call. We were not able to do it physically, but it helped us so much. I would we did something called as heat therapy with the moksha sticks. We also did color therapy. We gave strength to his knees so that he's able to stand. We also did zone suchok with the erica palm leaves, and all of these things were so helpful for him, that today, after so much of hard work and so much of all of the above, we he's able to stand today. He's walking on a walker today, and this is all thanks to Sujok, and thanks to Mrs. Anju Gupta. Thank you so much for being so helpful with us during that time, and I really hope that one day I'm able to get him to Delhi and receive one-on-one treatment from you, and so that he can walk as normally as he used to earlier. And we also she also actually helped us. He's on a catheter because of this problem, so she also helped us get some sensation back in that area, and that has also helped him greatly. So I really would suggest everyone, if you are in any kind of pain, any kind of depression also, so joke is so awesome. It works really great, and thank you so much, auntie. Thank you so much for all you did.